Thank you so much for joining me again here on Now We Drive. Sold the Mini Cooper a couple of days ago, so I thought I'd do a wheeler dealer style recap on the process of buying it and repairing it and selling it and going over the numbers to give you guys an update. It's been fun as one of my first ones, and so should we dive straight in? As you remember, back in mid-October, I started on this Copart Journey, which I'm obviously sharing with you now. And the first one that I actually bid on and won was this Mini Cooper. As you can see, bit of a front end dink on it. You've seen the intro videos, exactly what the car was all about. Funny enough, I had down that I was going to buy it for no more than say 1,700 off, if I can remember, and ended up getting it quite a bit cheaper, which I suppose led me on to bidding on the other two cars that I was looking at Copart, which were maybe a little bit more expensive than I wanted to pay. But at the end of the day, it is what it is, and this is very much an early part of my journey into buying and repairing and selling Copart cars. And here's the finished article. As you can see, new Cooper S front end, which I put on, which was available to me, so I bought them and had them resprayed. It ended up being a fantastic little car. 67,000 miles. It drove so strong, and it was in such good nick. Obviously very lucky coming out of Copart, but anyone buying this car, the person that bought it, grabbed an absolute bargain, because they got a really well sorted Cooper that was tidy-ish bodywork wise, and like I said, the engine and gearbox was super strong, super strong. So yeah, so let's have a look at the breakdown of what these costs look like. So starting off with this Mini Cooper project, as you know, Copart price that I bid on, 1,300 quid. Then the fees, much debate on the fees on many YouTube channels. They were 226. Transportation fees from my friend Amir, which if you need to speak to this guy, he's really good. £1.20 a mile or something. He's really reasonable. That was 100 quid. New headlight was 40 quid from eBay. Bonnet and bumper from my now quite a friendly guy that I speak to quite a bit, Lloyd, on eBay. And they were the Cooper S version of a 14 plate, what was it, the Coupe. Yeah, really nice, beautiful condition in grey. Obviously they had to be painted in the B30 Reef Blue. A few scratches needed to be addressed, which again I covered in the video. That was 18 quid for the official B30 Reef Blue touch-up paint. The tyre was pretty badly shot on the back. Don't know where it was. Maybe it locked up during the crash, but that needed to be addressed and changed to pass its MOT. MOT was 40 quid. The tyre was 50, so that's 90 quid, which leaves us a grand total of just a tad over £2,300. The sale process, I put it up on Facebook, and I took the cheapest version of the Auto Trader ad. Didn't get any calls through Auto Trader. Got quite a few calls. Got quite a few contacts through Facebook. And one particular guy lived literally 5-6 minutes away from me. He popped round. Really nice guy called Emre. He played the mother and child card rather well, where he brought his baby along, saying he didn't have enough money and this and that. And I was I wouldn't say I was a soft touch, but my heartstrings, as a father of four, I decided I was adamant not to sell it for less than 3k, because I thought it was worth every penny of that, given how strong the car was. Ended up selling it for 2,900. So, just over a 500 quid profit, nearly 600 quid profit. It's not bad for my first ever foray into this Copart world of buying, selling and flipping. There you go, my first project from Copart, bought, repaired, out of the door, sold with some profit. great as far as I'm concerned, given that one, it was my first, two, I've not done this before, and thirdly, I always explained that this was going to be a journey of learning and discovery for myself going forward, allowing me to learn, make the projects a little bit bigger as we go, and yeah, I see this as very much as an apprenticeship for myself. Usually apprenticeships cost money. Hopefully I can get there without costing me too much. We'll see when it comes to selling the Fiat 500 and the Duke. But overall, I'm delighted by this, and hopefully you've enjoyed this particular segment of my YouTube channel in regards to selling the Cooper. Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining us here on Now We Drive. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Remember, press the subscribe button and maybe watch some of these videos that are on screen now. But yeah, see you again soon.